So are you happy or are you disappointed with the Shibaswap Bone rewards? Did you go back in your back office, you logged in, you connected your Coinbase wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Wallet Connect and looked at the berry section and looked at there and you're sitting there thinking, is this enough? Is I'm happy? Well, I'm going to give you my thoughts on what I thought when I went through the process. I had to really go back over a few times and really think before I did this video. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, when the rewards got released last night, I was sitting there like this. I was like, oh my God, oh my God. So I was so excited, so I had to calm down a little bit. I was gonna go live, but you know what? I wanted to do a video first before I even went to go live. But anyway, so what I did was, I did like everybody else did. I logged in and I looked in the berry SHIB areas. And I looked down here and I said, 31.65 off a 3 billion stake SHIB. And I'm sitting here thinking like, not bad, not bad. Is I'm disappointed? Is I'm sad? Well, I'm a little disappointed because I didn't get to see the Ethereum. I didn't get to see the Ethereum yet. So I was a little bit disappointed. I was hoping to see that last night, but 31 bone reward SHIB is not that bad. It's a good start. Think about it. All you're doing is staking, not just stake on the grill, but just staking rewards. And think about this. I zoomed in right there and I'm sitting there like, okay, 31.65. Not bad at all. Then I went around and went to the leash. Remember, there's only one leash I'm burying. I do think all of us should try to get to at least one leash. That's just my opinion. Over time, don't go out and just grab it. Don't just grab it. But if you can, obviously, you know, that's your choice. It's not financial advice, but I do think we all should at least try to get at least one leash. Now, 8 bone this week is not bad. It's not bad. For one leash, you get 8 bones. And think about this. 8 bone is worth $3. Let's say $4. So 8 times 4, that's not bad. $32 just by staking, just by burying. You're just sitting there. 8 bone this week, 1 leash, and that's a cost of $24 or $24 because I did 8 times 4. I rounded this off to 4 basically. That's not bad. Even if I went back to here, 31 times, okay, I'm gonna do the calculator, old school calculator. 31 times 4, $124 for just staking my rewards just by burying my SHIB. That's not bad. I'm actually pretty grateful for that. I'm really grateful for that. And look at that additional percentages. Look at those percentages. I wasn't getting these numbers on crypto.com. I was not getting these numbers on crypto.com or Binance. And so I still got my SHIB on Binance, or excuse me, on crypto.com, and I'm still getting it off. I still got to wait a few weeks for that term to end. I'm in a term where I'm getting interest. I am getting SHIB back, but I'm not getting these numbers back. I'm going to be honest with you. Now, I buried my bone. I did this late to be able to have bone, to bury my bone a little bit late in the game. And look at this, 99. Oh my goodness. And look at these percentages. Look at the APY for bone. Oh my goodness, APY is pretty high and APR is high as well. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty cool. I was really happy about this right here. I was not expecting 99. That's a lot more than I thought. 99 times 4. This can't be right. This can't be right. 99 times 4. 396. Drop the mic. This right here is probably burying your bone. It seemed like that is probably one of the most underrated things in this whole thing so far. It's burying your bone. Because look at this. Look at the APY. Look how high that is. 1541.53 APY. And if I bury my SHIB, APY is 16.40 for SHIB. But even for bone, it's 37.41. Just for in terms of APR. I know they're different, but look at that number though. That number is completely crazy. Even the APR is 1608. percentages. Now, burying the bone is something I'm going to be looking to do in the future, a lot more, because I need to bury the bone, especially if we're getting these type of numbers. I know the liquidity event ends in a few days, so I'm going to be interested to see what type of these numbers are going to be after the liquidity event. But I think they still should be attractive. It's better than crypto.com in terms of staking. I love crypto.com. I do. It's an easy platform. I use it for other additional assets. I got my VeChain there. I have, what else I got? I have my Dogecoin on there. I have other assets on there. I do invest in other assets other than Shiba, Bone, and Leash. And I'll do more videos over those type of assets. If you want to know, I can go more and deep into some of those as well. I have Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So anyway, so let me go back over here. And so I'm pretty happy about this. I'm pretty excited about this. I was disappointed with the Ethereum. Now let me go. This is my Coinbase wallet, or MetaMask. Oh, MetaMask. I didn't realize it was a MetaMask. I thought it was a Coinbase wallet. So I think they both are connected. Okay, so let me go to my wallet connect, and I want to see there because I've got some Shiba buried there as well, and I'm going to check this out. So go there, boom. So yeah, so I've got some Shiba buried on my wallet connect as well, and I did this to show you. Oh, okay. Aww. It's a little bit, just a little bit of bone. Aww. That's my little bone. This is all I have though. But it's fine. You know, it's fine. I probably use this account as a passive income account. I probably won't even touch this. I probably just keep it in here and just let this collect. So I only have, I think, was that 30 million? 30, let's see, how much is that? 3 million. Yeah, it's like 3 million. Yeah, it's like 3 million. So I've got 3 million bone here. So I'm just gonna probably just keep this in here and let it just collect, and let this get over time. It will just give me more bones over time, and then what'll happen is I will wolf whatever my final total will be. I may give it a couple of months and then wolf this and then do something else with it. So I probably won't even touch my wallet connect trust wallet. This is the trust wallet one. This is the trust wallet. I probably won't even touch this at all. So now I'm going to go back to my Coinbase wallet. See how easy this is, guys? Just go one wallet to another and pow, pow, pow. So I don't know if you're upset or you're disappointed or you're still trying to figure it out or you're just kind of frustrated or you're happy. It's just the first week. And for me, I had to sit back and really kind of like, really think and re-strategize and really be thankful for this opportunity. But at the same time, I wish they had the Ethereum. Because I was really excited about that. But I know it's coming. And this whole thing is about patience. It's patience. It's not for everybody because things go up and down. Things kind of get confused. There's a lot of research involved in this. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not something you put money in there, you make a bunch of money the next day. It is a process. It is a step-by-step process. I'm here every step of the way to help you. So if you need help, please, send in a comment. I'll do the best I can to help you if that's anything with Shibaswap. Now, stay tuned for another video. I'm going to go over the bone folio a little bit slower because there's a lot of information in there. But my full assessment about what the rewards are, I'm pretty stoked. Mainly because I buried that bone. And I'm thinking about now to buy more bone. I'm thinking about that now. It's buying more bone, and I'm thinking about burying the bone because look at that, 99? Oh my goodness. Anyway, and I only have 137, so I'm just wondering, how did that happen? Anyway, I'm thankful and grateful. I hope everything is going well with you. Check out your information in the back office. If you got any questions, please let me know. I'll do a video over it, or I'll do a live probably sometime coming up here, and we'll go ahead and chat about it. We'll talk about it. All right, I'll see you on the next video. I'm happy about this. I don't know if you are. I'm happy. I'm a little disappointed with Ethereum's not in there of the first week of the rewards, but we'll see what happens next week when more rewards are coming in, because they're coming. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this, and I'll see you on the next video. And one thing I'm going to do? I'm going to be buying more sheep today. Those numbers, sheep and bone, I'm looking to buy more sheep and leash. No, sheep and bone today because the numbers are good. All right, I'll see you in the next video.